So I think that the first is about whether the EU will be immune to this sort of litigation that I'm worried about seeing in the UK. And I think obviously it will not be immune. I think we're already seeing the companies gearing up to litigating. There's another law that's just gone through in the EU called the Digital Services Act, which is about online harms. And in fact, that has already been appealed, well, the application of particular elements of it to Amazon in this particular case has already been appealed, and that appeal is going through at the moment. Actually, in that particular case, I happen to have some sympathy for Amazon's argument. So I think that in the DMA, I think we will know in the next month or so whether the firms are going to judicially review the rules as applying to them. And some of them may well try and judicially review some of the rules as applying to them. It will be really interesting to see how that pans out, because those rules were effectively imposed by the Parliament rather than by the Commission, which is the regulator. So they will have to somehow show that the parliamentary intention was not to do what these rules are actually doing to them. So we will see. But I don't think it's an easy judicial review at this stage. I think the later stages will be when the Commission tries to sue for non-compliance, and the firms will say, well, I am complying to the best of my ability. This rule is just poorly designed, and if I complied any more than this, it would actually have negative effects. And that will be, we'll see those sorts of those arguments made as well. I think all of that is true, and I'm sure we'll see it. There's huge amounts of money at stake, and those firms are very well financed, and so they will bring those cases. But I do think that those cases will be a lot harder, and therefore they will think twice